Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you fix Instagram error creating your ad into your Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, before going into the solutions, you have to know what is causing the problem to create the ad. Now, if you open a business account into your Instagram, you can make ads from your Meta account, and into your business tools and control, you can get this ad payments option here. And if you have not added any payment method for your ads, then the Instagram will show the error or it won't post your ad into Instagram. Now, in order to solve this issue, you just simply have to add your payment method into Instagram from here. And the second reason for ad suitability or ad problem might be the region. Your region might not be suitable for Instagram application. This feature is not available for everyone from the every regions of the world. In this scenario, if you want your ads desperately to be into Instagram, you should try VPN and then try to put your ads in Instagram, then the problem might be solved. By following these very easy steps, you can easily solve your error while creating your ad into Instagram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.